The true gag is knowing who you are and letting your confidence, Godfidence, I should say, exude out of you. Like, I love seeing women just not caring and just being bold and confident.
You're my baby, my love, my baby. All night you make me want you drives me crazy. You're my
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Sit down, grab you something to drink. Let's go ahead and have this discussion about God-Fidence, okay? God-Fidence. Being bold and loving yourself, honestly, the way that you are. I'm gonna give you guys a little story about my process in regards to me being confident in myself. And it took a long time because I used to be the woman that was jealous of other women, who compared myself. If she was prettier than me, if she was whatever than me, I always compared. And that caused a lot of issues in my relationships and my friendships. And it wasn't until 2019 when my life changed that I really decided to do the inner work, to heal, to find myself, to love myself. And this newfound confidence that I have, that it doesn't matter, it's how you carry about yourself. I love seeing women who are confident. I mean, they could be skinny, they could be big and juicy, and they just know that they're that girl. They already know who they are inside. They already know that they're Godfidence, And one thing, I'm gonna post pictures because I've been through all stages. I've been through the ugly phase. I've been through the I lost weight phase, and then now I'm in my thickums season, juicy season. Okay, period. And what I've realized for myself is that no matter what size you're at, it doesn't matter if you don't truly feel beautiful inside. It doesn't matter unless you truly have that Godfidence inside. Because I remember whenever I was skinny and I was still insecure, I was picking up myself. I thought I had a tummy. I was judging my cellulite. I wasn't really eating, but I was getting the satisfaction from family, especially if you grow up in an African household or a Caribbean household. You already know how it is in regards to your weight and how people would you have family members come up to you and talk to you, and they don't know how to they don't know how to talk to you. They be talking to you crazy, and you're just like, auntie, you've been overweight your whole entire life. Mind your business. Don't worry about me. But anyways, I digress. And it's like, I just went through a season. Like I just wasn't confident. You would think, oh my gosh, Sarah, you're skinny now. You should love yourself. But no, I was the most insecure then. And, as I've developed into my womanhood, now I'm fully grown. I'm developed now. I'm so confident in myself. Like, nobody can shake me. And it was a process because I wasn't like that before. Because I remember even 2019, girl with a smaller waist, girl with a bigger booty, whatever. I would compare myself and I was like, God, I can't do this anymore. Like, I really just want to be whole within you and just love myself. Because I promise you, girl, there's a man that'll love you the way that you are. Cellulite, tummy, rolls, skinny, whatever it is, there is someone that will literally love every single thing about you and think that you are beautiful the way that you are. So trying to strive for society's standard of beauty is just, one day it's thick season, one day you have to be skinny, the next day you have to be under 100 pounds. It's just crazy. So the true goal, the true gag is knowing who you are and letting your confidence, Godfidence, I should say, exude out of you. Like, I love seeing women just not caring and just being bold and confident, because it speaks volume. When you're insecure, people see that. When you don't love yourself, people see that, and you're more prone to get taken advantage of. When you know who you are and you're Godfident, I promise you, when you walk into rooms, you exude that confidence. You exude grace. People be like, who is that girl? She's thick and she knows it and she knows she's beautiful. Listen, I already know when I walk into rooms, I'm a force to be reckoned with, right? when you walk into rooms, it'll be like, wow, who is this woman of God? Not only is she nice, she's pretty, she's whatever. You know what I'm saying? All of that will speak volume and make room for you, because it speaks volume. When you're insecure, people see that. When you don't love yourself, people see that, and you're more prone to get taken advantage of. When you know who you are and you're Godfidence, I promise you, when you walk into rooms, you exude that confidence, you exude grace. People be like, who is that girl? She's thick and she knows it, and she knows she's beautiful. Listen, I already know when I walk into rooms, I'm a force to be reckoned with, right? When you walk into rooms, it'll be like, wow, who is this woman of God? Not only is she nice, she's pretty, she's whatever. You know what I'm saying? All of that will speak volume and make room for you. Hey guys, I'm just letting you know that we do have new products that came in. We have our new prayer journals. If you are trying to incorporate that intimacy with the Lord, especially in the morning, check out our prayer journals, and we have so many options for you to choose from that best fits your aesthetic. And what I love about the prayer journals is that they actually have Bible verses incorporated, and they're so cute, okay? Go ahead and check out the link down below for you to go ahead and purchase one for yourself or for a loved one. They make adorable gifts. And we also have a notebook version. Maybe you don't want the Bible verses and you just like to journal. Check out the lined version. But anyways, I hope you guys love the new products. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So if you are someone that is struggling with their confidence, what I did, to be honest, was I prayed. I was like, Lord, help me to love myself. Help me to see you in me. And every day I just started saying words of affirmations to myself. I'm beautiful. I love myself. I was looking at myself naked in the mirror and just like, this is my body. This is the way that I am. And I love it. It's okay. I may never be skinny and I'm okay, but I do things to make myself feel better. Like I work out. I'm consistent with the workouts. I try my best to eat healthy, you know? And I love myself. You can't let what your family says or peers, whatever, think about you, because I already know, listen, I'm juicy. I'm juicy. Either you like it or you don't. If you don't like it, move along. You don't like it, come on. Like, that's just my take on it. Like, listen, you walk into rooms, you're turning heads, point blank, period. So you're skinny, flaunt it. You're bigger girl, flaunt it, okay? But just be the best version of yourself and be healthy. Healthy is never confined to a size. I remember even whenever we did our faith and fitness challenge with Angeline, if you're a part of the Esther project or if you're joined into the challenge, I mean, I'm over there, I'm working out. There's women smaller than me that couldn't keep up. I'm saying, so healthy isn't necessarily defined by your size. It's like, I always work out. That's something that I've always been consistent. I've always tried my best. Angeline's been on me as far as eating healthier. So I have goals. I'm very intentional about it. And you should too. So if you're someone who doesn't like the way that you look, for instance, maybe your goal is to be the healthiest version of yourself, you know, start eating healthier, start working out more, be more cautious of what you're putting into your body. Maybe you're trying to find clothing that suits your body better, right? Because if you don't already know, I'm very into like style and looking nice. Find clothing that cater to your body shape and size. Something that I wear, like for instance, I know for me, I tend to wear more things that will accentuate my waist. You might like something flowy for your slimmer frame, whatever it is, right? Find things that'll suit your frame. Yeah, I compared myself a lot. It also didn't help that I also was with a man that preferred skinny women. Never do that again. Please date men that like your size. Date men that like you for you. Every man has their preference. Not all men want thick women. Not all men want skinny women. Not all men want women with a six-pack. Every man has a preference. The same way there are some women that like men light, dark, 6'5", short, whatever your preference is, right? Men are the same way. So date men that like you for who you are. Because when I was dating somebody who didn't even like women my size, it was problems left, right, left. I couldn't deal with it. Versus whenever I'm dating a guy that prefers juicy women, they listen. You just be feeling like that girl. Like, yes, I'm your juicy starburst. What's up? So listen, date who will like you for where you are, okay? And another thing is just be that girl. Do not fall into society standards of beauty. Just love yourself, know who you are within Christ, and let that exude. And I promise you, taking daily prayers, praying, Lord, help me. I promise you, I was praying, Lord, help me be confident. I'll probably even snippet a video.
I choose to let go of other people's opinions of me.
Divorce, I didn't know my self-worth. I was literally just broken and just didn't know myself. So I was consciously making the decision to pray, to ask the Lord to give me confidence, for me to do words of affirmation, also me dressing up. If you are not dressing up, stop. You need to stop, because you are not. Make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you're taking showers. Your hygiene is important, especially as us being Proverbs 31 women. You cannot be no stinky woman. You cannot be stinky. Please make sure you are washing your butt, okay? And wearing perfume and deodorant and styling your hair. I'm always talking about this. I always promote this. Styling your hair. If you wear makeup, that's beautiful. If you don't wear makeup, that's beautiful. Find your preference, but make sure at least if you either or, you're taking care of your skin, right? So team natural girls, because I love the natural beauty, the natural women. Same thing. Style your hair. Make sure your skincare is popping. Invest in that. For the girls that wear makeup, wear makeup that will accentuate your beauty. I prefer more natural makeup now. I remember I used to be the cut crease 25 milliliter I used to be that girl, especially whenever I used to do makeup, right? Seasons change and I'm no longer that person. But I love a natural beat. I love a good lash that's more natural. This is my go-to look. I just love a natural, something that's going to accentuate your natural beauty. Making sure your hair is done. Presenting yourself too, so your Boaz can see you. Some of you guys, maybe you've been single for a long time and you're asking, but you don't shower. You're not showering. You're not even styling your hair. You're looking like a mama. And it's time for you to get yourself ready and get cute, okay? Not even for men, but do it for yourself. I do it for myself. And then because I do it for myself, they come like beasts, okay? So I hope this video was helpful in regards to Godfidence, confidence, and just loving yourself through all stages. You cannot let family get to you if you're someone that's dealing with family nagging. You can't. If you don't like the way that you look, if you want to lose the weight, if you want to hit the gym, do it for yourself. Don't do it for anybody or any man, even if it comes to surgery. If you get surgery, you have to do it for yourself. I'm not one of those Christians that, hey, I cannot do it. No, listen, because baby, I'm telling y'all right now, after I pop my kids out, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go to the gym. But listen, if Dr. Miami, just don't be surprised is all I'm saying. I'm not one of those people, but make sure you're doing your research. Make sure you're doing it for yourself. Never alter yourself or your body for a man. If to seek validation, always do it for yourself. And be the best version of yourself for you. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.